2017, my niece Amina died in her sleep at the age of 16 due to an enlarged heart which caused sudden death. And she's not alone. Did you know that 1 in 4 people die of heart disease in the United States every year? Hi, my name is Dr. Sharon Pickford at Personal Touch Chiropractic, and I don't want you to become another statistic. If you are experiencing muscle spasms, ringing in the ears, heart fluttering, or pounding of the heart at night, you may be a candidate for the heart sound recording evaluation. The HSR is a low-risk general wellness cardiac stress monitor with a specialized microphone strategically positioned to hear and record the sounds of the heart valves. The HSR monitors certain stressors by recording the rate, the rhythm, and tone of the heart's cycle. It also observes the reactions to certain chemicals, nutritional and emotional stressors, and external stimuli such as vitamins, sugar, caffeine, and alcohol. If you or anyone you know is interested in a free consultation, contact us and let's make your heart healthy.